girl Ashley, and I'm back today with another Let's Do Yoga video, yoga tutorial. We're actually going to be getting into a wide forward fold. I actually had one of you guys, Sata, comment on one of my freeform lock videos. So if you are unfamiliar or just new to this channel, I also do lifestyle videos, and I'm kind of documenting my hair journey, so like the length and trying out different products in my hair that you guys request. But we're going to dive into this wide-legged forward fold, Prasarita Padottanasana. Say that 10 times fast. Let's dive in.
Dive in.
We'll just start from mountain posture, which is just a normal standing one. Shoulders are relaxed, and then go ahead, just step your feet out wide, or just a good distance here. And then start to open your arms out to the sides. You kind of want your heels to line up, straight line with your wrists in this kind of star stance. Don't let your chest lean too far forward or push your pelvis too far forward. Keep your spine neutral. And then start to turn your toes in just a little bit, not too far where it's pigeon toeing. And just for starters here, a nice soft bend in your knees, and then bring your hands to your hips. Keep your spine long. And then take a deep breath. Slowly hinge at the hips. Then relax the head. And if that feels great here, maybe slide the hands down to your thighs, or even start to work them down your shins or even towards the ankles here. Releasing the spine. Relax the shoulders, drop the head. And if it feels comfortable, maybe the fingertips come all the way down to the mat, or even flat hands. And then slowly roll yourself back up. Take your time, because you don't want to get lightheaded. I do have one modification here, so you can use blocks. You can use just one block or two. I'm just going to demonstrate real quick with just the one, so you know your blocks. They have several heights to them that you can work with. We'll start at the tallest setting. Feet are still in that same formation, the heels out, toes slightly turned in. Soften the knees, take a deep breath. And then hinge at the hips. Then take the hands come down. And the other modification, we can use two blocks. And soften the elbows, maybe bend it a little bit more. Yeah, just kind of hanging out there. Go ahead, slowly roll it back up. Yeah. Thank you guys so very much for watching this yoga tutorial of Prasarita Padottanasana. It is like so hard just to say it. Try saying it to your friends at home, and then show your friends this video. Show them how to get into this wide forward fold. And I'll see you guys in one of my next videos. Peace.